Second question. All the points in the set S is equals to alpha plus I divided by alpha minus I such that alpha belongs to capital R. Here I is equals to root minus 1. Lie on A. Now check the options. First we solve the question. Write the given. What is the given? S is equals to. Given, right? S is equals to alpha plus I divided by alpha minus I. And here they give an I value. So what is I value? I is equals to root minus 1 and I square is equals to minus 1. So keep in mind these values. Now in the denominator we have the imaginary. So we rationalize this. So rationalize this one. So opposite symbol is minus, for that opposite is plus. So divide and multiply with alpha plus I divided by alpha plus I. Now numerators. What are the numerators? Alpha plus I into alpha plus I. 2 times came. So I will write alpha plus I whole power 2 divided by A minus B into A plus B. What is the formula for A minus B into A plus B? That is A square minus B square. So the denominator in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So write A square minus B square. A is alpha. So alpha square minus B is I square. Now expand this. A plus B whole square. It is A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by alpha square. Here I square is there. What is the I square value? That is minus. So minus of minus 1 plus 1. It is S value. Now separate the real and imaginary. What is the real? Real is x is equals to, here what is the real part in the numerator? That is alpha square plus 1 square, sorry, it is I square. What is the I square value? Minus 1. So minus 1 divided by denominator alpha square plus 1. Next, imaginary. Right, imaginary. Imaginary is y. Y is equals to, here what is the I? I is imaginary. Here we have I is 2 alpha. I coefficient is 2 alpha divided by denominator alpha square plus 1. Now we know x value and y value. Now write this x and y values in the options. They said here circle whose radius and straight line whose radius. So I will take circle, that is x square plus y square. When I add this x square and y square, what we get? We check. X square, what is the x here? Alpha square minus 1 whole square divided by alpha square plus 1 whole square, x square plus y square. Y is 2 alpha whole square by alpha square plus 1 whole square. So now I substituted x and y values in the x place and y place. Now it is in the form of A minus B whole square. Expand this one. So what is A here? Alpha square. So A square, that is alpha square whole square. Alpha power 4 and plus B square, that is 1 square, minus 2AB. 2 into A is alpha square. B is 1. 2 alpha square into 1, that is 2 alpha square. And plus here if we observe the denominator is same. So we take denominator is alpha square plus 1 whole square. And the next second part is 2 alpha whole square. 2 square is how much? 4 into alpha square. Now minus 2 alpha square plus 4 alpha square. How much? Alpha square whole square I can write plus 1 and plus minus 2 plus 4 plus 2 alpha square divided by alpha square plus 1 whole square. If we observe this numerator, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Means a is how much? Here a is alpha square, b is 1. So when you write in the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square means, suppose if I write a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So substitute a value in this. A is how much? Alpha square, a square, that is alpha square whole square plus b square 1 square, that is 1 plus 2 into a. What is a? Alpha square into b, that is 1. So it's looking like this form. So I can write this as a plus b whole square. A is how much? A is alpha square plus b is 1 whole square. Now replace numerator by alpha square plus 1 whole square. So we get x square plus y square is equals to, so it is a plus b whole square. A is alpha square plus b is 1 whole square divided by alpha square plus 1 whole square. So numerator, denominator both are same. So cancel it. We get 1. So it is circle equation. We know that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So here h, k are the centers. H is no h here. So h is 0 and k is no k in this, it is 0. So we can write this as like x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that equals to 1 square. So from this h is 0, k is 0. That is center. Center is 0, 0 and radius r is equals to 1. Now check the options. Radius 1. Go for the option. Circle whose radius is root 2. No, it is wrong. And straight line, it's not straight line. Circle whose radius is 1. So option C is correct.